The Best Practice in Marketing conference for us is the biggest event in the year because we have been conducting about 10 different focus group workshops and so on last year, and this is the event where we really present all the results. And we try to do it in a very interactive way, so we summarize everything with many examples. Then we always invite two exciting guest lecturers, and we do nice workshops.
Yes, it's a great opportunity for us as Bühlers to collaborate also with other companies participating at these best practice in marketing, because for us Bühlers, collaboration is key. It's not that we have to invent everything new. If we talk also to the other companies, we see that they have the same issues, the same complaints, and so with this coming together here also at the Innovation Campus in Uzwil, we can work out nice solutions.
Purpose is a very interesting subject, and that you can't do purpose marketing without really thinking about the purpose of your company. What is really important is to sort of think how purpose can improve our company life, and I think it's very useful to sort of think about it also with respect to the people we want to gain to work for our companies.
That was a real exciting day today here, and with Bühlers, the environment, it was a fantastic place to come over from Germany and to meet colleagues, practitioners in marketing, who really had a great exchange of opinions.
I think everybody that participated today is coming out with a lot of new insights and new ideas where we're trying to implement in our individual organizations, and I think that's the main purpose of such an experienceful day.
I'm really inspired by a lot of topics which have been discussed and worked on today. So it's about artificial intelligence, it's about purpose-driven marketing, and it's about digitalization. And the exchange with all the different companies and marketeers who participated today here was really great.
We want to learn from the partner companies how they do it, and the partner companies want to learn from each other, and they want to learn from science. So it's from insight to impact what the University of St. Gallen stands for.
We are here at Bühlers and we just finished the 21st Best Practice in Marketing Day, which means for us from the Institute of Marketing that our year 2019 officially ended. We're right now evaluating the topics for 2020, and we're really looking forward to a nice session of best practice in marketing in 2020.